Ever feel that little pang of anxiety wondering if all your Trello genius is safely tucked away? Fear not, because today, we're unlocking the secrets to keeping your Trello data secure and sound, so you can banish those worries for good. First, the good news: Trello is constantly auto-saving as you work. Every time you add a card, edit a description, move a list, or check off an item, your changes are instantly saved to Trello's servers. You'll usually see a little green check mark next to your profile picture, confirming the successful save. But for extra peace of mind, let's explore manual backups. While Trello doesn't offer a direct download your entire board button, you can export your board's data. Navigate to your board's menu, then click Print and Export. Here, you can choose to export your data as a JSON file. This file contains all the information about your board, lists, and cards, providing a solid backup you can store locally. Keep in mind that this JSON file is intended to be viewed by a person, not automatically uploaded. Now, for some best practices: regularly exporting your boards, especially for critical projects, is a great habit. Also, be mindful of third-party Trello power-ups. Some may affect your data, so choose reputable ones. And lastly, remember to store your exported JSON files in a safe and secure location, like a cloud storage service or an external hard drive. With these tips, your Trello masterpieces are safe and sound, allowing you to focus on what matters: getting things done.